question 20, part A. Simplify m cubed times m to the power 4. One of the rules that you need to know is that when you are multiplying the same letter or number, the indices can simply be added, so 3 plus 4 is 7. To show that, m cubed, if I do it in red, means m times m times m. The times here I'll do in black, and then m to the power 4, if I do it in blue, m times m times m times m. And if you count them up, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 m's being multiplied together, so it's m to the power 7. Part B, simplify 5np cubed or cubed. Again, there is a quick way to do this, but if we just write it out longhand, because there are 2 marks here, so give the examiner a chance to give you a mark if you make a mistake. I've got 5np cubed, and then if you cube a number, you times it by itself 3 times. So what I'm doing now is timesing it by itself 3 times. 5 times 5 times 5 is 125, and don't be afraid to check that on your calculator in the exam, better to be safe than sorry. N times n times n is n cubed, and p cubed times p cubed times p cubed is p to the power 9. We just checked here that we can add the indices when we're multiplying a letter, whether it's n or p. You could probably do this in your head when you get good at it. 5 cubed is 125, n to the power 3, and then p cubed 3 times would be p to the power 9. But I also advise you to write it out longhand just to make sure. Part C, simplify 32 q to the power of 9 r to the power 4 divided by 4q cubed r. Again, if you know the rules, this becomes much easier. Firstly, 32 divided by 4 is 8, and I'll show you in a second why, but when you're dividing, it's the opposite of addition. We can subtract the powers. So 9 q to the power of 9 divided by q to the power 3 is q to the power 6, because 9 take 3 is 6. R to the power 4, take r, and there is a 1 there, gives you r cubed. So my answer is 8q to the power 6 r cubed. If we just go back to it, 32 divided by 4 is obviously 8. Q to the power of 9 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can probably see now why we write q to the power of 9 rather than having to write them out 9 times. Divided by q to the power of 3. 1, 2, 3. Now these can cancel out. If I'm going to times by a q and then divide by a q, I'm going to be back to where I've started. So the 3 q's on the bottom of the fraction can cancel out with the q on the top, and I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is where this 6 comes from. The same principles apply to the r. You'd have 4 of them on the top, 1 of them on the bottom. You'd have 3 left over. Okay, don't forget, please subscribe if you find these videos useful.